Hi, what you doing? Was you napping? Were you taking a nap? Oh, you're a big fat cat, ain't you? Huh? What are you doing? You coming over here? Gonna come over here and cuddle with me? Come on. Whoa, you just gonna sit there? Don't even start licking that paw. That. Don't do that either. I want you to come over here. Come on. Ah! You funny. You're a funny cat. Now get your ass over here. Come on. Yeah, right over here. Come on. You know you want to get under the blankets. Huh? My God. You're a fat cat. That's what you are. Don't be looking over there and playing hard to get. Hey, over here. Look at you. You coming? Oh, get over here. Oh.